Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing, and today's video we'll talk about the affiliate program of ManyChat. So let me take you to their website, which is manychat.com. For the ones who don't know about them, ManyChat is a leading chat marketing platform that helps businesses automate conversations across Instagram, Facebook Messenger, and WhatsApp. The tools allow to capture leads, send automated messages, and increase sales through chat funnels. With ManyChat, we can turn conversations into conversions effortlessly. So what you're waiting for? Come to the website, explore all about them, and if you want to use their services, you can go ahead and do that. But that's not exactly why we're here. As usual, we are here to earn money from ManyChat. Possible? Of course it is. You simply have to become an affiliate with ManyChat. As usual, you start promoting them to your audience, your traffic, and when you bring sales to them, you will end up receiving commission. So affiliates from which country can join their affiliate program, and to the consumers of which country can they promote in order to receive commission? No restrictions found. So long as ManyChat provide the services to the consumer of the country you have in mind, you will be able to promote it to them. And also about your country, it doesn't matter. So regardless of your country, you should still be able to apply to the affiliate program of ManyChat. So let's learn about their affiliate program. For that, let me take you to the affiliate program page, which is affiliate.manychat.com. So over here, you can scroll down and you can see earn up to 50% commission. And that's not all. Recurring 50% commission. That means you bring someone, and so long as they keep paying to ManyChat, you will keep getting it for the first 12 months of their subscription. And apart from it, you also become a bona fide power player. You connect with your audience, you get early access to tools and features as well. And if you scroll down, you will see here calculate your commission. So if you want to know how much can you earn, it depends on your tiers. So let's say if you are bringing anything lesser than 30 signups, you'll get 30% of their recurring commission on the sale amount. And if you're bringing more than 30 signups, then you become Sapphire affiliate of theirs, and you will get 40% of the sale amount as recurring commission. And if you are bringing more than 200 signups to them, then you become their diamond tier affiliate, and you'll get 50% recurring commission on the sale amount. That's generous. And if you scroll down, you'll see more. You can scroll down till FAQ. So there are some frequently asked questions in case if something doesn't get covered in the video, and if you have question, you can come to this section and you can explore these questions and answer as well. So how do you sign up for their affiliate program? That's the question. For that, let me take you to the website called PartnerStack. Now, what does PartnerStack have to do with ManyChat? PartnerStack is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there, specializes in SaaS related programs. So what does affiliate marketing network mean? Affiliate marketing networks works as a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means being an affiliate, if you want to join the affiliate program of different brands out there, you must first connect to the respective affiliate marketing network. So in our case, if you want to join the affiliate program of ManyChat, you must join PartnerStack as an affiliate. Also understand that PartnerStack calls their affiliates as publishers and brands as partners, so don't get confused. And to do sign up, basically a sign up for the publisher or rather affiliate account, you simply have to click on get started, which will take you to this page. Over here, you can go with I'm a partner and you have to complete the registration. Now, I understand there are many nuances involved when doing the sign up with any affiliate marketing networks out there. So don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create and use PartnerStack affiliate account. You'll find the link in the video description. Simply click on the link, follow the instructions from there, and get yourself a free PartnerStack affiliate account or rather publisher account. Once you have an account with them, simply come to the website once again, click on login. It will take you to the sign in page, enter your credential or go through the authentication of Google account, and then it will take you to something called Discover Partnership of PartnerStack dashboard. This is the dashboard where you would be able to interact with different brands out there. You would be able to find affiliate program of different brand as well, but we're going to keep the focus of our video on ManyChat. To find their affiliate programs, ensure you are on Discover Partnership section, and within the search bar, start typing ManyChat and click on ManyChat option from here. It will then take you to the affiliate program page. Over here, you would be able to see the details that we looked at before between 30% to 50% recurring commission. And then there are other details available as well. For example, they take less than 5 days to review and approve your applications. They have free trials available as well in their plan. And they have assets available as well. And if you want to apply to the affiliate program, you have to submit this application form. So for my case, I have already returned this. Ensure you're also filling the details accordingly. The name of the company. Let's say if you own a company, you can mention the name of the company. But if you don't have a company, but you might have a website, blog, social media page, wherever you intend to get reviewed by ManyChat and wherever you intend to promote them, you can mention the name either of the website, blog, or your social media page in here. So in my case, I have mentioned all about affiliate marketing. If you prefer, you can give your phone number as well, but I'm going to keep it blank. Select the country of your residence. So I'm going to go with my country of residence, which is India. And in your case as well, you can select country of residence. Then which of the following best describes you? Choose only one. So I'm gonna go with publisher. You also select the one that describes you the most. How familiar you are with ManyChat. So you can click here. You're familiar, new, advanced, ManyChat gurus. I'm gonna go with new. Same way you can select yours. Then how did you hear about ManyChat partner program or affiliate program? You can maybe write YouTube videos since you're watching this video. Otherwise, you can also type in any other place from where you must have learned about their affiliate program or partner program. Then how do you plan to promote ManyChat? Include your traffic sources, example, organic, paid ads, email, blog, current marketing practices, example, SEO, redirects, brand bidding, and your 30-day strategy if accepted. 2 to 3 sentences. Be descriptive here. Ensure that you're telling manager about your planning, how you intend to promote them. This could help you in getting the approval from them. So for me, I have already returned. I'm going to just copy and paste in here. And then you got proof of reach. Please provide at least one verifiable link, example, YouTube channel, Instagram profile, website, newsletter, landing page, etc., where you will promote ManyChat. So wherever you intend to promote them, provide the URL, be it website, blog, social media page. I'm going to give my YouTube channel link. Then audience overview. How large is your audience? Define followers, email subscribers, client, web traffic, etc. So I'm going to go with 8600 plus followers or subscribers. You can also select yours or write yours accordingly. Audience geography. Which countries or region does your audience primarily come from? So you can mention the geography. I'm going to go with USA and India. Then past experience, list up to 3 affiliate products you have promoted before, include a link, post, or campaign example if possible. So basically, you have to write the name of the brands that you must have been partnered with before. So I have been partnered with these brands and I have mentioned a name just for the reference. Then industries you work in. List the industries or niches you currently promote in, be it SaaS, e-commerce, health, finance, crypto, gambling, other. Please be specific. So I'm going to go with these. I usually am focused on digital marketing, affiliate marketing, and SaaS related networks. Then, what specific tools, resources, marketing assets, or support do you need from manager to maximize your success as partner? I'm just going to say all I need is affiliate links and, of course, your approval. So you can type in whatever you need. Maybe like you have something in mind, so you can write it. Then, manager terms of service agreement. Ensure you agree to it. So I'm going to agree to comply with manager partner program terms of service. And then I confirm that I'll not engage in prohibited practice such as brand bidding, click fraud, cookie stuffing, hidden redirects, or any other fraudulent activity. Ensure you read and then tick mark it accordingly. I confirm that the information provided is true and accurate, and I consent to ManyChat verifying this information for fraud prevention and compliance purposes. I confirm my understanding that any violations of the ManyChat partner program terms of service can result in immediate termination from program and all commissions forfeited. So once you have read and you agree to that, simply click on submit application. When you do, your application to the affiliate program team of ManyChat would go. They'll see whether you're a good fit for them or not, and based on that, they could give you the approval. And it could take anywhere between, let's say, a day to 5 business days of time. So you can wait for them to review and approve your application or to respond to you accordingly. How would you know that you have been approved? You'll be notified via an email. Once you receive the email, you can again come to the partner site, publisher dashboard or affiliate dashboard. And then from your dashboard, look at the top right hand side and click on your program. You would be able to see them in here as approved. So in our case, I can see ManyChat in here, but if I'm going to click on it, I'm still going to see application submitted. So assuming you've been approved, you can always click on your program and then you can search for the ManyChat from here and click on it to get to their affiliate program page. Now, let's say you've been approved, then what? you should know how it looks like, correct? So just for the demo purpose, I'm going to use a brand called Browse AI. So let's say we got approval from ManyChat and you came to your program, you click on ManyChat and you have been redirected to their affiliate program page. Just for the demo, we are looking at the affiliate program page of Browse AI. But similar to that, you will see something related of ManyChat. I want you on the affiliate program page of ManyChat. You can click on links. Why you want to click on links? Because you don't want to use any link from the website. You have to use tracking links. So how do you create or get tracking link? You come to the link section once you're on the affiliate program page. Over here, you would usually be able to see your affiliate tracking link that you can copy directly from here, or you can also create a custom link. If you click on create a custom link, let's say you're looking at the affiliate program page of ManyChat and click on create link, you give it a name, you put the link description, and then set up link destinations. From here, select any of the drop-down link that must be available from ManyChat, and then link customization if you want to custom your link, and then followed by that, click on create. When you do that, your link is created. So this is how you can generate your link. And if you want to use any of the assets, you can click on resources. Assuming I've been approved by ManyChat, you will be able to see assets like how we can see for Browse AI. So there's brand's asset and then partner feedback forms. Similar to that, there will be some assets available for ManyChat too, which you can leverage for integration to your website. Of course, your tracking link integration. So this is how you can get your tracking link. The next question arises, where can you promote them? Even with the understanding of getting approval from them and of course getting tracking link or generating it, the next question is, where will you end up promoting them? There are many ways, but still I'm going to cover a few. One way is website. Doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you've been approved by them, you can promote them anywhere on your website, maybe the homepage, maybe the category page, or wherever you feel like is more suited for your audience, for your traffic, you can go ahead and promote them. Second way is blog. Now, using blog, you could write blog posts about ManyChat and put your tracking link within the blog post. So this way, when someone would read, if they like it, they'll click on it. And if they subscribe to ManyChat, if they pay it, you get commission. And thirdly, we got social media. Now, social media could be great here because you could create content like videos, reels, posts, and put your tracking link somewhere in the description or the comment. This way, when people would watch your content and they like it, they'll click on the link as visual buy and you get commission. Fourth way is business services website. Now, let's say as an affiliate, you have such a website, it could be amazing because people come to these kind of websites to learn about different tools available out there. So maybe feature this ManyChat tool somewhere on your business services website. This way, when people would come to your website, if they see ManyChat being featured over there, they might click on it, they subscribe, you get commission. So these are some of the ways you can promote them. The next question arises, where can you see the performance? Let's say you started promoting them, you started bringing sales to them, you must be seeing your performance somewhere, correct? For that, you can come to the Partner Stack Affiliate Dashboard once again, and assuming you have been on the ManyChat affiliate program page, you can simply click on performance. Over here, you would be able to see performance like clicks, sign up, paid signups, conversion rate, revenue, pending commissions, paid commissions, earning per click. So these are some of the details you'll be able to see. You can click on conversion to see conversion related details, link, referral domain, and all these related details. And to have detailed reports, you can click on reporting, which will take you to partnership performance page. Over here, you will be able to see your partner here. That will be ManyChat. You will be able to see clicks, unique clicks, sign up, paid customers, transactions, and the revenue being generated. And if you scroll to the right side, you'll be able to see more details available in here. So this way you can check your partnership performance. You can also click on link performance to see the performance by links, commission to see commission, and then of course customer performance. So this is how you can track your performance or your commission. How would you receive this commission from Partner Stack? So all the commission that has been gathering up, you will be getting it from Partner Stack, assuming they get it from ManyChat. To ensure you're getting this commission, you can click on commission from the menu bar, which will take you to this page. Over here, ensure you click on setup withdrawals, and you will have three options to choose from. If you go with direct deposit, you have to give your banking details, and delivery gonna be in 2 to 5 business days. That means all the transactions, all the signups that got confirmed in this month, you can expect to receive it from Partner Stack somewhere around the mid of the following month, and then you may consider 2 to 5 business days more on top of that. And then the processing fee will also vary based on the withdrawal amount and the bank account currency. So you can update the details accordingly here. And then you got PayPal, which I prefer the most. So delivery would be within 6 to 10 business days. So you may expect a commission by around 25th of the following month, assuming the waiting time of partner stack and of course the PayPal as well, which is 6 to 10 business days. Processing fee will be 2% of the withdrawal, and if you click on it, you can enter your PayPal email address and confirm it, and that's it. You also got Stripe if you want to go with this method. Let's say whatever method you choose and you update your details, then you would be able to withdraw your commission from here. And all the commission, you would be able to see the details in here. So you see available to withdraw. So like this, there are different commission statuses. So if you click on commission statuses, you'll see schedule, pending approval, approved, and pending payment, decline, on hold, available to withdraw. So you would only be able to withdraw commission that is available for you to withdraw. And all the commission that you have already withdrawn, you would be able to see the statuses changed to withdrawn. And to have better understanding of these commission statuses, you can click on learn about commission statuses, and this will give you detailed information about these statuses. Then you got the withdrawal section. So all the commission that you ever have withdrawn in the past, you would be able to see them listed in here. All right, so this is how you find the affiliate program of ManyChat. You apply to them, get the approval, start promoting them, and start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of ManyChat. And as an affiliate, if you want to grow in your affiliate marketing journey, there are some amazing resources that I have created for you. Don't you worry, there are free resources as well as the premium ones. You'll find them in the video description. Get any of those resources that you prefer. While you're going through my resources, if you have any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.